Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about whole center and profile. First, I would like to explain the definition of user, permission, user group, profile, and whole center in Business Center. Basically, to access a Business Center, you need a user, and for this user, you need to add a permission. This permission can be added directly for the user, or you can use a user group and then apply to the user. Also, for every user, you need to define what is the profile that this user will access Business Center. Basically, in the profile, you define what kind of activity, what kind of what is important for this user have to access and work in your daily basis. So basically what you define in the profile is basically what the user will see in his whole center. That is basically the main page when the user accesses a Business Center. You can create these profiles in a different way. So you can, for example, define these by area. So finance team can have one profile, purchase team one profile, and sales team one profile. So basically what you need to think in terms of business is what you want that this team or this group of people need to access in Business Center. Usually it's important, for example, if you have a sales team that all have the same access, so you can manage better your process. So you have a team that all can go and execute the same activity, or basically the same activities will be available for these users. So in the whole center, you can define what is the activities, what is the task, what is important that this user check in a daily basis. So you can define what you can manage from a whole center. What is important to consider here is that the whole center is basically the whole center, and the profile is basically something that the administrator manage. This is not the kind of thing that every user can go and change. The user can apply your own personalization, but when you talk about a profile, you need that administrator or someone with this level of access do this process, because the idea is that you can define this by a group, that you don't have one specific profile for every user that access Business Center. So let's go through Business Center and check what we can do with the profile and whole center. So here is my whole center. Let's check with what profile I am using. So you go here, my settings, and then you can see here that I am using Business Manage Evaluation. Okay, with this profile, basically I have access to all the system, right? I can have access to finance, all these activity in finance, basically the most of finance activities, cash management. I have access to sales, and I have access to purchase. Also, we have here the menu bar when I can click and go directly to the customer, the vendor, items, bank account, and general ledger. So here is my profile, and what you can do if you want to add something to this whole center, or you want to remove something. So basically what you need to do is go to search and say search for profile. So here we will go to profile. I will select the profile that I am using. So here you have business manager evaluation. Here what you can do, let me double click. What you can do here, you can, for example, I have this profile business manager evaluation. I can copy this profile and add or remove some access here. Or what I can do is just go to this profile and change or customize something. So you click here in customize page. It will take some time to restart, because in this case we will access with edit profile. So what you can do here is the same profile that I have, and you can see now that I can move. So let's see, if I don't want to see these activities, I can just click here and say hi. Or also here in the specific, I can click and see if I want to hide this or not. So what I can do here, I will go to this favorite account and I will hide this. So in this case, I need to unlock the page. Okay, so now I can do this properly. Hide. Okay, now this part is currently hide. Okay, and then what I can do here is clicking on to save this change. If I don't want, I can I cannot save this, and then the profile will keep the same. So in this case, I want to save. Okay, so what I need to do here is access again Business Central to check my change. So let's do this. You always have to remember that you need to restart in order to see the change. So let's go here. Okay, you can see that I don't have my favorite account anymore in this profile or in this whole set. Okay, other thing that you can do here is, if you have access, you can change the profile that you want to access Business Central. So you just need to go here in settings, in my settings, and then you can change this. So now I will change my profile to project manage. Okay, and here you can see that I have a different whole center, that the focus here is the activity that a project manager needs to do. So basically we have here the job tasks, the customers. You can see also in the activity that I am checking what is the job that is now in working process, what is the job that the state is to budget. So everything here is relating to this whole center, and what I need to check in my daily base. And what you can do here, and what you always have to consider here, is what you need, what is important for your business, and especially when you talk about wholesale, you have to consider the team, right? Because it's the main page when all the team can access. So if you have, as I mentioned before, a sales team, and you want that all the salesperson can access Business Central and have the same overview. So you have here the same tasks, the same activity that they want to check in a daily basis, and the same report if you want to add. If you want, for example, add here what is the how many sales orders you have in the system, what is the status of the sales orders. So it's important to have this in mind. So this is the explanation for whole center and profile. Please let me know if you have any doubt. Subscribe my channel and let your comments. Thank you.